Hello children, welcome back. Here Bunty and Bubbly are here with us and they have a number of gems and a lot of Rajma in front of them. Now, do you know what we are going to learn today? As they rightly guessed before the break, we are going to learn something related to numbers. And this topic is called tables. Yes, we are going to learn tables today. And we are going to learn the table of 2 today. Now, my dear children, you have done skip counting in UKG. Do you remember how your teacher used to make you do an activity where you used to hop around in the class at the skip of a number? Like when you used to skip count by 2, first you would jump 2 hops and then 4 hops and then 6 hops and then 8 and so on. In the same way, we are going to hop, skip and jump and learn the table of 2. But as you are in first standard now, I am also going to show you how we are supposed to write the table of 2. For writing the table of 2, first we are going to write 2 because this is the table of 2. Then we will put the multiplication sign. This cross is called the multiplication sign. And then we'll put the number of times that we are going to put 2. So when we begin the table, we are going to put 2 only one time. So I have written 1 over here. After that, this sign is called the equal to sign. Okay. So it means that if I put 2 of anything only one time, what will it become? And we say it as 2 ones are. 2 ones are. Now, see, if I put 2 gems only one time, what does it become? It becomes 2. 1 and 2. 2. So, 2 ones are 2. Yes, 2 ones are 2. Let me write over here. 2 ones are 2. Next, I am going to write 2 multiplication sign. How many times? Which number comes after 1? The number which comes is 2. So, and then equal to. So, we are going to do 2 2s are. What is the meaning of 2 2s are? 2 2s are means that if we put 2 times, then what will happen? See, I have put 2 one times here, but I am going to put 2 times here. So when I put 2 times here, how much do we get? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 2s are 4. Let me write here. 2 2s are 4. Next, again I am going to write a multiplication fact, that is 2 multiply or cross 3. This means if we put 2 3 times, how much will we get? So let us put 2 3 times and see. We put 2 one time. Then we put 2 times. And then we put 2 3 times. So here we have put 2 3 times. So how much did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 3s are 6. 2 threes are 6. Very good. Now let us see. 2 fours are. Let us see what happens when we put 2 4 times. Let us take 2 one time. Let us take 2 2 times. Let us take 2 3 times. Let us take 2 4 times. Now let us count. How much did it become? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So we have 6 here, and then we took 2 4 times. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 fours are 8. So what are we going to write here? We are going to write 2 fours are 8. Very good. Now let us write the next multiplication fact. 2 fives are. Now here we will see what happens if we put 2 5 times. Let us put 2 gems 5 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and in the end 5 times, right? We got it 2 5 times. Now let us count the number of gems we have got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. Next we are going to write 2 sixes are. Let us see how much do we get when we put 2 6 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and here we are 6 times. So this is 2 6 times. Let us count how much is 2 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 2 6s are how much? 12. Let us write 12 over here. 2 6s are 12. Next, we are going to write 2 sevens are. How much is 2 sevens are? Again, let us take the gems. Aren't they delicious? So we are going to take the gems. 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, and 7 times 2. So 2 sevens are how much? Let us count how much is 2 sevens are. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. So let us write 14 over here. 2 sevens are 14. Now let us go to 2 eights are. How much is 2 eights are? Let us see. If we put 2 8 times, how much do we get? 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, and 8 times 2, right? So we have 8 times 2. Now let us count how much is 8 times 2, or 2 eights are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yay! So 2 eights are 16. Let us write 16 over here. 2 eights are 16. Now let us do 2 nines are. And see how much is 2 nines are. Let us see how much do we get when we put 2 together 9 times. 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2, and 9 times 2. Now let us count together. How much is 9 times 2, or 2 nines are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 2 nines are 18. Let us write 18 over here. 2 nines are 18. Now children, we come to the last multiplication fact. This is 2 tens are. You can continue doing more and more. You can continue to see how much will we get if we put 2 11 times, 12 times, 13 times, 14 times. But for the sake of writing, we are going to learn it only up till 2 tens are. So let us see what do we get when we put 2 10 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, and 10 times. Let us put it nicely in a straight line. Yeah, here we are. It is 2 10 times. Let us count and find out how much is 2 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes, so